When you first click the overview, you'll be in the claim info panel. This is where you can see the claim number, date of loss, peril, and the status. You can also see who the claim is assigned to, and you can also reassign it to whoever you'd like. In the Policy Details tab, you'll be able to see the policy number, policy type, total coverage, and deductibles at the top, as well as a more detailed breakdown underneath. And you can edit any of this information if you wish. In the Carrier Details tab, you'll have all of the contact information at the top with the ability to edit any of this information below. If this were a real carrier and not an example, the location would also populate. In the Claim Contacts tab, you'll be able to see the total policyholders, primary contact relationship, and contact methods at the top. You can also click into any of the contacts to update their information, their relationship to the claim, who they're representing, company name, preferred contact methods, and more. And this is how you use an overview in Brelly.